Apples are one of the most popular fruits worldwide, and for good reason. Not only are they delicious and versatile, but they also pack a nutritious punch. This widely adored fruit boasts numerous health benefits, from improving heart health to supporting weight loss. In this article, we will delve into the many advantages of incorporating apples into your daily diet and explore the science behind the age-old saying, "An apple a day keeps the doctor away." Health benefits of apples. Improved heart health. Apples are known for their heart-healthy properties. The soluble fiber in apples can help lower cholesterol levels by binding to cholesterol and removing it from the body. Moreover, the antioxidants in apples, particularly the flavonoid quercetin, have been shown to reduce inflammation and lower blood pressure, both of which can contribute to better cardiovascular health. Weight loss support. Apples are a low-calorie, high-fiber fruit, making them an ideal choice for those looking to lose or maintain their weight. The fiber content in apples can help promote feelings of fullness, which can curb appetite and reduce overall calorie intake. In fact, a study published in the journal Nutrition found that consuming apple slices before a meal led to participants eating fewer calories during the meal. Digestive health. The dietary fiber found in apples, particularly the soluble fiber known as pectin, can support digestive health by promoting regular bowel movements and preventing constipation. Pectin is also known to act as a prebiotic, feeding the beneficial bacteria in the gut and contributing to a healthy gut microbiome. Blood sugar control. Apples can play a role in regulating blood sugar levels. The fiber in apples slows down the absorption of sugar into the bloodstream, helping to prevent spikes in blood sugar. Furthermore, the polyphenols found in apples have been shown to reduce the absorption of glucose and stimulate insulin secretion, contributing to better blood sugar control. Cancer prevention. Several studies have suggested that the antioxidants and phytochemicals in apples may have cancer-fighting properties. The flavonoids and other compounds found in apples can help neutralize harmful free radicals, reduce inflammation, and inhibit the growth of cancer cells. Brain health. Apples contain antioxidants that have been linked to improved brain health and a reduced risk of neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's and Parkinson's. In a study published in the Journal of Alzheimer's Disease, researchers found that apple juice consumption could help prevent the decline of the neurotransmitter acetylcholine, which is associated with memory and cognitive function. Bone health. Apples are a source of vitamin K and boron, which contribute to bone health. Vitamin K plays a crucial role in blood clotting and bone metabolism, while boron helps regulate the balance of minerals like calcium and magnesium that are essential for strong bones. Conclusion. Apples are not only delicious and convenient but also packed with an array of essential nutrients and health benefits. Incorporating apples into your daily diet can support heart health, weight management, digestion, blood sugar control, cancer prevention, brain health, and bone strength. Here are some simple ways to enjoy apples and reap their many health benefits. Eat them fresh. Apples are a perfect on-the-go snack. Simply wash and enjoy their natural sweetness and crunch. You can also slice apples and serve them with nut butter, such as almond or peanut butter, for added protein and healthy fats. Add to salads. Incorporate thinly sliced apples into your favorite salads for a burst of sweetness and a satisfying crunch. Incorporate into your breakfast. Mix diced apples into your oatmeal or yogurt, or top off your cereal with a handful of apple slices. Bake with apples. Apples can be used to make healthier versions of baked goods, such as apple muffins, apple crisps, or applesauce cakes. Cook with apples. Apples can also be a delicious addition to savory dishes. Try adding them to your favorite stir-fry or use them as a base for a tasty chutney. In conclusion, the numerous health benefits of apples make them a valuable addition to your daily diet. With their versatility and wide range of flavors, from sweet to tart, there is an apple variety for everyone to enjoy. The next time you reach for a snack or plan a meal, consider incorporating an apple and experience the many advantages this incredible fruit offers. So, it seems that the old adage "an apple a day keeps the doctor away" holds a significant amount of truth, as apples are a simple and delicious way to support and maintain overall health and well-being.